In RPCS3, go to Configuration, GPU, and the only thing you need to change is the resolution scale. And for 1080p, you just have to scale up to 150%, and for 4K, you scale up to 300%, and that's it. Now I'll leave you with some comparisons between the resolutions in a couple of games.